I am Vinod Kumar, working as an assistant professor in Thandai Periyar Government Institute of Technology, Vellore. Now I am going to take a video lecture on 4G networks. In this PPT, I am going to explain about 4G network vision. So what are the importance of 4G, different 4G scenario, comparison of 4G and 3G, and what are the different features of 4G networks, and what are the challenges faced in 4G networks, and different categories of challenges, and what are the possible solutions to overcome the challenges. And finally, we discuss about the various applications of 4G. The main vision of 4G network is providing the network anytime, anywhere. So that is the main vision of the 4G network. The objective of 4G mobile systems are to integrate present wireless technologies including WWAN, WLAN and Bluetooth techniques. There is a great improvement in throughput from bytes per second for SMS to kilobytes per second for MMS applications is possible by 4G network. So wireless transmission techniques used in 4G network is digital audio broadcast DAB and digital video broadcast DVB. Thus, 4G technology has brought a communication revolution in wireless scenario to greater extent. "4G vision is anytime, anywhere access." So by 4G, we able to provide high quality voice, high definition video to the high data rate wireless channels. So with 4G networks, it is possible to have mobile multimedia services, that is nothing but MMS services, are somewhat better in 4G networks compared to the 3G networks. So global mobility supports. So in wireless network, so 4G gives higher data rate, so that is nothing but global mobility supports. So for example, video conferencing are somewhat better in 4G network. Integrated solutions in wireless environment, so that is also good. So customized personalized services and interoperable with other standards and fixed wire networks. In 4G, informations can be received anywhere, anytime with connection to a wide range of informations and services. Also, a large volume of information, pictures, data, video can be received with 4G infrastructure. So these are all the importance of 4G. And what are the 4G vision scenarios? So in 4G, so we have to transmit the data packet from users to application terminals. So here, what are the different scenarios? So that is acting between user and application terminal. So number of terminals, for example, laptop, mobile and other wireless devices. Air interface, so that is nothing but wireless medium, and then access point, so that is nothing but base station. So mobile access and wireless network. So these are all the main 4G vision scenarios. So a subscriber to that of application end are included, so that is shown in this diagram. So from the user end and the application end, so it is connected wirelessly. So further developments of 4G systems include several networks using Internet protocol, that is nothing but IP as common protocol. So 4G network assures mainly broader bandwidth, smoother and faster handoffs, higher data rates and enhanced services across multiple of wireless networks and wireless systems. So then we discuss about comparison of 4G and 3G networks. So the number of parameters which is common to 3G and 4G network is discussed here. So first we discuss about networks architecture. So in 3G, so it is wide or cell based architecture. So but in 4G, so it is developed to hybrid type integration of wireless LAN. So number of wireless LAN technologies are integrated, combined together to form a 4G networks. So only it provides the higher data rate compared with your 3G networks. So example for network architecture in 4G network is Bluetooth technology. Then what is the speed? So in 3G, around 384 kb per second to 2 MB per second is possible, but in 4G it is developed to 20 to 100 MB per second in mobile nodes. So bandwidth, so 5 to 20 megahertz is possible in 3G, and in 4G, so it is rapidly developed and 100 megahertz or more bandwidth is successfully developed in 4G network. So what are the accessing technologies? In 3G means CDMA 2000 and WCDMA is used in 3G network, and in 4G, so it is changed to orthogonal frequency division multiplexing technique, which is nothing but OFDM technique. So next parameter is internet protocol. So in 3G we using IP version 4 and IP version 5, but in 4G we using IP version 6. So what are the different features of 4G? So unlike 3G, 4G is a IP based network where every subscriber connected to internet is provided with an IP address. So key feature is higher level of user level customization. So that is the main feature of 4G. Every subscriber can select their preferred quality of service. So that is nothing but the special case which is provided in 4G network. But in 3G network, so this preferred quality of services is not possible. So what are the other key features of 4G networks means? So anytime, anywhere with any other devices enables higher usability. So we are able to connect the internet with any devices which is in the wireless region. So personalized communication facilities is possible in 4G networks, and then integrated services. So number of services are combined together and provided a integrated services. So that is common in 4G networks. So it supports multimedia services at lower cost. So that is also an important feature of 4G networks. So it provides telecommunication, data and multimedia services. So these are all the important features of 4G networks. Then what are the challenges in 4G networks? So mainly security is the main challenge and privacy. So security, so how the network is secured from one person to another person or in the wireless network. So number of users are present. So then how the security and privacy is provided, that is also an important challenge in 4G. Then the quality of service of the 4G network, so that also should be improved. So that is nothing but 4G network. And what are the various categories of challenges? So mainly based on mobile stations, based on systems and based on services. So we challenge number of problems. So mobile stations challenges, so which is nothing but it encloses multimedia user terminals, discovery of wireless system, that is nothing but selection of wireless system. Then what are the system challenges means? So terminal mobility, so QoS, quality of service support and network infrastructure privacy and security issues. So these are all the system challenges. And then fault tolerance and survivability. So these are all comes under system challenges. Next, service challenges. So service and charge personal mobility. So this is also an important challenge in 4G networks. And then meeting consumer expectation. So we have to provide a good network to customer. So that is also an important challenge while providing the service to the customers. So next, what are the possible solutions that and all provided for the challenges that is occurred in 4G networks? So first one, wireless system recovery. So in that the challenge is discovery of other mobile devices by processing the signal sent by them. So what is the possible solution means network interface downloading applications to suit the user module. So next one, multi-mode user terminals. So designing a single user terminal which can operate in various networks is the important challenge. So the possible solution for that is user terminal has to be made adaptable to the network interface. And network infrastructure and support of quality of service. So the challenge is task of integrating IP based and non-IP based system. So combining IP based and non-IP based system is the main challenge, and the possible solution is inter-network compatibility should be ensured to maintain quality of service in the network. So terminal mobility, so location management and updating data about terminals in different systems. Performing handoffs need some packet loss. So we have to provide adaptable handoff mechanisms. That is the possible solution for this terminal mobility. So finally, so in the service providing methods, so billing system, multiple service providers. So billing with detailed information is the main challenge. So for that the solution is several billing and accounting frameworks are applied and processed. So that is the possible solution for the billing system and multiple service providers. Then we discuss about the applications of 4G networks. So the applications of 4G are called killer applications. The applications of 4G are called killer applications as it is going to bring revolution in the internet world. So the main application is virtual presence. So the 4G system provides virtual presence environment. So even if an user is on offsite, user services will be available for him. Thus anytime anywhere is made possible by these virtual presence applications. Next one is virtual navigation. So an user can get the navigation information and receives the required database about the streets, path, buildings where the travels, etc. So this indeed needs a high speed transmission. So that is also a main application. Next one is tele-geoprocessing applications. So which combines both GIS and GPS. GIS is nothing but geographical information system and global positioning system, so which is present in our mobile itself. Next application is telemedicine and education, so which supports remote health monitoring of patients. Gaming application, so high speed multi-user gaming, cloud computing, safe and secure gaming is provided. And then crisis management, so restore crisis issues in a few hours. So these are all the important applications of 4G networks. So telecom companies developing 4G is NTT Docomo Japan, and then DigiWeb Ireland, Sprint Chicago, Verizon Wireless, Vodafone Groups, and American Wireless provider Clearwire. So these are all the telecom companies which develops 4G networks. Thank you.